This video is part 5 and also the final part of this wedding album series. Being the final one, I take you through how I complete the removable cover and create the booklet. Now in this booklet you can insert more photos or journal your memories of your special day. This album is the second project of the wedding series. For the first project, the 3 rotating photo cubes, I will leave a link at the top corner if you would like to view that one. Hi everybody, my name is Kat from Kat's Crafty Corner. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like this type of craft, I do hope you think of subscribing to this channel. Also hit the notification bell for any future videos. Thank you. Let's get started. In the previous video, I show you how I put together this photo frame and also decorate the front cover of the removable cover and glued that all together, as you can see here. Now I start first putting the 6 magnets on the cover, just using double-sided tape. These magnets are 10mm by 1mm, which I got ages ago off Amazon. So if you just put that in the Amazon search button, they come up. And then I go on to put 6 magnets on top of that and double-sided tape on top of the magnets, which will guide the folder, the removable folder, onto the album. Make sure when you do that your album's the right side, and just press down so that the magnets will stick, and there you go. Just do a couple test runs, and then I'll go on to cut out all the magnets so they sit flush with the surface. Just using a Stanley knife, not cutting too deep because you don't want to cut through. Just so that the magnets sit flush, they're not protruding. And I do that to all 6 magnets. Once that's done, I just cover with double-sided tape. It is tedious, but it is worth it in the end. And I do the same to the cover. I just put in double-sided tape because you don't need to cut that out, the magnets. And there you go, the cover sits quite firmly on there. And this is where I go on to make the pocket as shown. I also go on to add 3 magnets for the closure of the sleeve, removable sleeve. And again, I do the same thing. Screw down the stick down the 3 magnets and then add another 3 magnets on top to guide where they're going to sit. Now I'm just making the 2 hinges for the pocket as shown. I always measure up against the project. You can use double-sided tape to hold down the hinges. Now our pocket's complete. Using all the scrap and offcuts, I just go on to glue them all down, stick them down, onto a piece of paper and just use it on any page, like I'm using it here on the back side of the removable cover. Just hate throwing paper away. Here I've finished decorating the album. And also decorating the removable cover. Here I create 2 spots where you can insert 2 3x4 photos. And this basically completes the sleeve, the removable sleeve. Now here we go on to make the little booklet. I usually just score 1 A4 paper, measure up against my page. I really measure. Go on to cut the back page, put together, and then cut to size. Make sure it fits, which I'm happy with that. Just trimming off each edge of the tab, and also using glue as a backup. And from here I'll just go on to decorate it. Like I said, you can use this to add some extra photos or just use it as a journaling page. And here it's complete. Now I just insert that, and the front cover is complete. Now I go on just to decorate it. I just play around a little bit just to see what works. These are just bits and pieces that I've had in my stash. And I was happy with this. Then I go just on to glue them down with my hot glue gun. Just really happy with how this all turned out. And this removable cover idea was inspired by Genevieve. She's got some really good ideas. I love watching her channel. Now I've finished gluing down all the flowers and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Now I'll go on to glue on the chipboard corners. Have a bit of a play to see where they look best. Decided on the photo frame was where I wanted them. And then I'll go on to glue them down with some glossy accents. I feel these cornices add extra dimension to the frame. And hope it just inspires you maybe to create one of your own. I really appreciate that you've stayed with me to the end, and if you do like this project, please let me know, leave a comment, hit the like button. I really love to hear from you. Thank you.